So I'm making this video for those who got a one pod autometer pillar mount gauge for their boost gauge. I have a Pro Sport boost gauge right there. It's the digital one. There's not too many videos on this, so I just want to make sure I explain this really quickly. So on the pillar here, there's this brown and yellow wire right here that I tapped into using these tap-in connectors. And this is the red wire going to the boost gauge. This red and white wire is going to the digital converter, like the vacuum to digital converter thing that's in the engine bay. You just route these wires to there. This yellow wire is the constant power, and this black wire, I just use black wire for that. I ran it above my power mirror and over into the fuse panel, and I used fuse number 2. All I did was go and put the wire into the fuse, and then it worked that way. I didn't have to have any special adapters or anything. I just threw it in there. And then the green wire is attached to the white wire that goes into the engine bay. And that's pretty much it on the wire routing. That was the most confusing part. And then this black wire is the ground that I just used right there for it from the airbag area. And yeah, I just started up and it seemed to work.